Good morning, everyone. Welcome to WeLearn. Kindly enter the WeLearn website in order to log in, and that is www.we-lrn.com. Click on the login button, which is on the extreme right side. Here you are required to enter your username and password. Once you are logged in, you will be able to view your profile screen. Scroll it down. On your left hand side, in the navigation pane, you will be able to see My Courses icon. Click on My Courses. Now you have to click on the course that you have got enrolled for. Click on this course. Once you have clicked on, you will be able to see this screen. Now, in order to view your iCard, you are required to click on this link. Now, this is a screen which gives you various numbers of topics which are covered under the subject in consideration. By clicking on various units, you will be able to access the required unit. Now, there are all the relevant PPTs and their respective recorded slides and the classes. They are also available in just a click's distance. Now, by clicking on the required PPT, you will be able to see all the presentations. Say for example, if we have clicked here, so this is the PPT that has started. Now, this is the forward button. If you click on this button, you will be able to jump to the next slide. This is the rewind button, and this will help you in seeing the previous slide. This is the pause button, and by clicking the pause button, the presentation could be paused at the required slide. Now, this presentation screen, it could be exited by clicking on your left hand side of the screen, the back arrow. Now you have come to your initial screen of the course enrolled for. In order to view the recorded classes, you can do so by clicking the recorded session, any of the recorded session. You can click it. Now this is the screen which would be visible to you. Now this is a play button. If you click on this, the recordings would start.
This is session number 1.
And in order to pause, you can click anywhere on this screen so that the session would stop at that point in time. Now, in order to exit from this screen, you are required to click on the subject name. So ours is an English subject here, so we are clicking here. Now, along with the presentations and the recorded classes, there is a reference material field. Now, this is a field which gives you the various links on the reference materials related to topics which are under discussion. There is this activity field. In this field, there is a discussion forum. Now, discussion forum gives you a platform to put your queries, and likewise you can get queries resolved. Again, you can exit the screen by clicking on the course name icon. Scroll it down further to the activities. There is this icon of English Glossary. By clicking on English Glossary, you would be able to find and clarify the meanings of the related words which are used in the subject under consideration. Again, this screen could also be exited by clicking on the course name. Scroll it down further, again to the activities. Here is this icon of chat. So it's a live chat icon which facilitates scheduled live chat with the faculty. Also, course co-mate can chat anytime. Exit the screen by clicking on the course name icon. Scroll it down, and now there are two ways in which the assignments could be submitted. In order to view how and what is the first way of submitting the assignment, click on this icon. Now this is a page which would be shown. Now for all your correct answers, you are required to click Add Submission icon. Now the answer, they could be texted online on this screen. So this is an online submission of the test. Again, the screen could be exited by clicking on the course name icon. The other way of submitting the assignment is by clicking here. Now this is a screen which facilitates uploading of the saved file from any of your saved items. And you can upload a file by clicking here. Exit the screen by clicking on the course name. Scroll it down further. There is an icon referred to as quiz. Now this is an icon which will help you entering into a test and assessing your understanding and the retention of the topics which are under discussions. Again, if you want to come back to the original screen, you have to press and click on the course icon. And in order to log out from this screen, first you have to go to your home screen. On your right hand side, enter your profile and then you can easily get logged out. Press on continue and you finally get logged out from your screen. Thank you and have a nice day. Keep learning and we learning.